Hello everyone, for this tutorial video I like to explain what percentages are, as well as how they follow a very specific pattern that is even more specific than fractions, and how their title gives a clue as to what the pattern actually is. A percentage is specifically defined as a quantity out of 100, and the word percentage actually has a logical etymology, where it comes from Latin per, which is similar to English per, and cent meaning out of 100. So a percent is literally out of 100 as given by its formula. Although a percentage is physically defined as something out of 100, you can actually express it with a fraction or decimal too. For example, 100% can be rewritten as 100 out of 100, or with decimals as 1.0. Similarly, 75% can be rewritten as 75 out of 100, which simplifies to 3/4, or also as 0.75. Percentages are often used in sales, such as a percent of something or a percent off something, and you are often asked at restaurants to leave a specific percentage tip, so it is important to be able to do the arithmetic properly in order to ensure that you are leaving the proper amount as specified by the restaurant policy. Now that I've explained what percentages are, as well as how to express them as fractions and decimals, and also their most common applications in the real world, I would like to talk about more complicated calculations in addition and subtraction in the next video, and then more complicated calculations for multiplication and division after that, and how complicated calculations for division follow a special algorithm called long division. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.